happening, but I hope Ken's okay. No, she's just gonna pretend. You just have to pretend. How far am I from home? Okay, that's far enough.
Barbie, pretend about what?
No, like. I'm pretending that I'm okay. Meow.